Hey you guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? Today we're gonna be reading for Sagittarius. I want to say Happy New Year's. Thank you for showing out and thank you for following me or subscribing to my channel for the new subscribers. And I got a message for you guys. Until download, I don't just hope it resonate. Man or female can resonate with this. LGBT doesn't matter your gender. Just place yourself privately in your storyline and switch it and flop it as need to be. But into a download, somebody could be eloping, so that's good, especially if you there could be a Libra and Leo could be significant of eloping, so that's good. Also, you guys could be also experiencing moving changes. I just seen 555, so that age number could be significant. Changes in your job. So like a lot of your work development, so you guys could begin a new career, or you guys are her allies. You guys going to be testify and witness for strange noises or strange things that you've been seeing in the neighborhood, whatever. I heard you guys going to testify. You guys going to do that for some money. And then I heard strange things for money. So like you know how like there's a pet or a dog or something like that, and like if you find it, you get a reward. Something it's something like that. 123 on the clock. So that can be significant as well, Sagittarius. And I do feel like for some reason there's a lot of police force in your energy. So I don't know if you guys are have or I keep hearing child support. If it's not child support, somebody could have your mom could have stole money from your father at a young age. And I feel like once you reach a certain age, I heard 18, 17 years old, you supposed to get a check. I feel like your mom never gave you that check from your father that passed away, or your father could have left a check and Social Security wrote it in your mom name, but your mom was supposed to be a good student and give it to you. She gave it to the rest of the brothers and sisters, but not you guys. So that's income coming in as well. I heard surprisingly, I don't know if you guys been waiting for this for a long time, but I feel like you already found out, or your mom already found out. She just didn't tell you. As well. Sorry, I'm telling you guys this on the New Year's. I'm like, all right, I don't want to hear this, but yeah, that could be significant. I just feel like you guys sold a lot of D's. You guys went through a lot of I heard childhood trauma, abuse, and neglect, and a lot of selfish folks was doing wrong injustice in your eyes and God eyes. So I feel like divine is basically inherited some type of income or praising you through finance. I don't know. I guess I heard money make me come. I guess money make you guys come. Money make you guys happy, man or female. I heard money is the root to all evil, but it definitely put a smile to my face. I heard Sagittarius, look, clearing out debt. So this money can help you that you've been manifesting, or you guys are about to get help you start off clearing out some debt in the beginning as well. I'm hearing more for Sagittarius energy, triple match only. Golly, declutter. Okay, yeah, yeah. I definitely feel like you guys are changing your environment, or you guys could be packing your bags or boxing up your house. Yeah, you guys are moving, and I feel like Spirit saying Decatur could be significant. Decatur in Georgia could be significant. Somebody could live in Decatur. But somebody could have left you a house. A cousin left you in a house in Decatur, Spirit saying, or Virginia. L- Lewis, Lawrence, Levelle. That I don't know if I said that right. Lawrence something. That's it's like a song artist or R&B artist. I feel like you guys could be when declutter. I'm hearing that you guys could be changing from a lot of rap music to R&B music, jazzy music, more calming music. It's a mental stimulating for the mind. So yeah, you guys can have Gemini in your placements or Virgo in your placements, because y'all guys are being very strategic in this new year, which is good. I feel like you promised yourself, or it was written on one of your goals on a paper, or your notes or whatever, to do things to better yourself, from diet to words of affirmation and things that could come in and help you be the better you. And that's from healthier friendships, family members, even family that's not even the same bloodline, but you know what I'm saying, you know, that love is thick like blood, you know what I'm saying? From Soul Tribe basically. Yeah. You guys are feeling better and being focused out. Positivity, faith, and optimistic is you guys' energy. I feel like you guys are in your Empress energy, or you guys are need to, or you headed there. So there could have been a lot of protection energy. I feel like you guys just recently just got out of a tiring moment. So there's like picking up the pieces and a lot of trouble tribulations. I feel like you guys are now just sat down and like put your seatbelt on. Like you guys are being geared up. Rocks a rocket ship and you guys are about to blast off. So yeah, there was a lot of chaos probably going to this ship, going to this new beginning. And then as soon as you buckle up, it's like the doors and everything shuts immediately and you're blasting off. Yeah. You open the doorway to positive experience and opportunities with your positive expectations and energy. Do not allow negative energy or temporary setbacks to interfere with the path that you're on. Keep the faith, keep going. You guys, you guys are also learning. Sorry, my neighbor's still doing fireworks and Happy New Year's if I didn't say that already. But you guys are definitely like, all right, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Beyonce could be significant. We also have successful funding. Wow. So, if Divine give you guys an idea and you may not have all the tools and stuff like that, Spirit said tweak a little bit until you do. But I feel like with this idea, this new idea, or Divine is about the you guys been pondering, thinking, or you guys need to set aside time with declutter, probably as when you guys clean your coping mechanism to help you clear out depression or make you feel better or help you refrain from overstimulated. You like cleaning the bathroom and stuff like that. It help you with your mind and it focus and open up portals or help you manifest. And I feel like during that time, Spirit is saying that you guys will get like download an idea to help you if you guys are an entrepreneur or if you guys are in that um what is the word? Um crop what's it called? What's those big um inbound jobs, call sales, it's corrupt something. I don't even know if that's it, but just big businesses or whatever. I don't know what I was saying. I can't think of that word. But anyway, sorry. If you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, employment change. Yeah. For some reason, what is okay, so you know how those buildings, sorry, I'm having a slow moment, blank it out. With this is called this is employment change. You know those big buildings where like T-Mobile, in Georgia, you guys could definitely live from Georgia. And Georgia have like a lot of like media warehouses. So what is a um cooperation? No, it's on the tip of my tongue. I cannot say it. Sagittarius. What the heck? And I feel like you guys are screaming at me right now. I could feel you guys screaming like, "Dami, this is what it is. This is what I can't think of it." But basically, I don't know. Like you guys are about to get a well job where you could dress up and um you know that movie Think Like a Man, where she was working in a crowd of all men and she was the only female, and then she went to a spiritual guru and it went wrong, and she come to find out she hear everybody man thoughts. That movie, but you know like that area, the environment of her job. I see that for some reason, and I can't get off of it with employment change. So yeah, you guys are about to be on that big time business like the CEO, or you guys are working close to a CEO, like you're probably under a CEO, like you could have work yourself way up in this job career field, or you about to be blessed. You about to jump chains into this type of job field. And a lot of people had to have recent history in whatever this is, but the fact that your name is being spoken in different rooms, they put you on. You know what I'm saying? So, woo, Lord, right? Ooh, that was hard. And I feel like once I figure out what it is, I'm like, wow, I feel there's something. But anyways, a little bit more for this energy. Yeah, obstacles and blockages are lifted. So if you feel stagnant or things is not going your way, it's being uplifted. You guys know when you're in a tower moment, those are those quick decisions and everything that you probably was greedy and everything, it all falls down. A lot of donation energy. So I don't know if you guys are giving away a lot of clothes, or you giving away a lot of your time, but Spirit's saying make sure you guys also put your pride to the side and start hustling a little bit more. It's not enough dream or prayer. You also got to take the deposit. Something with a deposit. Maybe you got to give somebody a deposit. I did say you guys are moving, so maybe it's a property deposit. You've also gotten You also got to take the positive action steps. You got to take the positive action steps that you're being divinely guided to take. Be consistent. Why I cannot talk randomly? That's embarrassing. We're just gonna end that right there. Okay, let's get into a little bit of tarot for you guys and see what else divine has for you guys. I feel like spirits are work independently. If that's your confirmation or anything, you need to work independently. That's when you thrive and you move better, is when you're independent. I feel like you guys have a lot of fools, or you guys surround yourself around a lot of walks of life, different type of folks, and maybe people that's no tea, no shade. We are humble, but to be honest, people that's beneath you, a little bit ratchet, a little bit people that may be higher than you, and just people, folks motivate you. You hang around a lot of different people to because I feel like you guys are good with networking, and I feel like right now, Divine is saying something with your idea. So maybe if you had an idea, or like, remember I said maybe you need to go in solitude or do something to help your mind focus or meditate to get you an idea. Maybe you already gotten that idea as well, Sagittarius, right? And you could have told somebody, or you could have told a parent, or you could have told a friend. I heard a parent, a mom, a sister, brother, sister, whatever, and or father, and they could have used that idea and strengthen it, or use the same basic guideline, but then add more on top of theirs. And I feel like you could have felt like you lost an opportunity, or you took that big L, but Spirit saying that it's a new opportunity coming around. It's a new cycle coming back around, where a new wheel that's meant for your fortune. So now when you get this download, into the download, do not tell nobody your business. Don't even speak it out loud, because I feel like you guys are realizing, even from an idea or your next motives or the next thing, a lot of people like to steal your work, because you may be very creative. Sagittarius fire signs are womb makers. So you guys are naturally fertile. You guys will I don't think in you guys energy, Sagittarius never dealt with any infertility issues. So that sacred chakra is constantly blooming. That sacred chakra is constantly ready. Your womb is healthy to the point you're always creating, you always transmitting energy. So yeah, you do get a lot of ideas as well. I heard knock up. There could be a new lover that you're facing right now, that you started new beginnings with. Be careful of somebody trying to knock you up. Be careful of pregnancy, because I definitely feel it here. And this lover could be a water sign, a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Spirit said, don't be stupid, and don't be foolish, and don't be led from temptation or that lonely feeling, because I do feel like even though you guys are known, or you guys are being guided to do things independently, you guys, especially if you have childhood trauma, that abandonment wounds or that codependency issues surface during random chapters of your life when you're not really at your best, when you're not really at your highest. So um make wise decisions there as well, Sagittarius. More for this energy for Sagittarius, truthful messages only. Hopefully, I'm helping you guys out, and this is your reading 15:50 on the clock. A lot of fives, bro. 5:55 is definitely you guys' energy. The King of Pentacles, okay, you got somebody that you could rely on. This is somebody that if you move, yeah, when you move, you're gonna find somebody that you could rely on. This is somebody that surface the same networking. So this is somebody that has the same creativity motives as well. You just had to move because I feel like you guys are moving. You gotta move. This person right here was with the Queen of Wands. You guys could resonate with a white witch. You guys could be a high priestess, very intuitive as well. With the Queen of Wands, you guys hold some type of leadership in the public eye. You guys could be a mother figure up to four as well. Sagittarius doesn't have to be, or masculine. If you have two kids of the opposite sex, a girl and a boy, could be significant. Or that's what you're hoping for or you're manifesting. And I feel like that's your confirmation you will have that in your Sakibalis. um I feel like this is your makeup match. This is somebody that will please you well. This is somebody that will pride, very profitable. So this is somebody that this is not weak or broke sex type of series. This is y'all both rich. He rich by himself, you rich by yourself, and you guys are both abundantly. So this is more okay. This is new love. I feel like, or this is somebody you already know. We're gonna clarify that, but with this new partner I'm speaking about, Sagittarius, this is somebody that is more of your or more of you. Yeah, it's a lot of you walking. Did they walk away from this Eight of Cups? Spirit say you're going to with the lovers. Wow, set boundaries. What? This felt good. What's up with this? I'm getting the chills now. The King of Pentacles. What's up with this King of Pentacles? And the Queen of Wands for Sagittarius. Energy, Holy Spirit, Yahweh. Very soon, one fell on the floor. Oh, shit. Let your friendship help you ask and support from others. It fell on the floor, and that goes back into the two of download. Remember, I said like, be careful who you tell your business to. You got to be independent. Okay, be selfish with your times. It's okay. Very soon, clearly decide what you want, so that comes to you now. Reconciliation reverse. Any reverses with these cards? No reverse. So this is somebody you know, right? Unrequited love. This is somebody from your past, Bookie. I don't feel like he changed though. I feel it was good. Worth waiting for came in reverse as well, but Spirit said no reverse in this deck. You was guided to kind of like unconsciously wait for somebody to work on themselves. There's a mission that you and this person need to go throughout. Calling you soulmate, you guys could be manifesting a new boo with deception. You could be manifesting a new boo, but this person want to relive your love life. This person want to spice up your love life. This is somebody from your past that's reconciling. Yeah, with healing family issues as well. This is somebody that could have triggered those childhood wounds, or this is somebody that mimic similar to what you said. This is somebody that knows your personal business. This is like a best friend. This is giving homebody, homeboy vibes. This is giving high school to college vibes as well of when you met this person. But with the reconciliation, bro, with the King of Pentacles, with the King of Wands, and then with the unrequited love, healing family issues. I don't know if I showed you guys this. Spirit said very loudly, keep your love life private. You guys could both be manifesting each other, or this person is manifesting you. This person was childish. This person loves a lot of makeup. This person loves a lot of makeup, sex, retreat. To it's time for you to disconnect from the world. What's so crazy is Sagittarius, I literally just got out of the Libra energy and it was clear as day. It was simple and simple minded that very much well there could be like a somebody that gives you that love and hate, or somebody viewed the Libras as a love and hate, but they want to grab into you because they know that you got this new abundant energy. And now with Sagittarius, it kind of threw me off because this relationship kind of seemed fun. It seemed good, but there could have been a lot of shit going on behind closed doors that you felt intuitively. With the Queen of Wands, you knew this person was hiding something from you, but they could be hiding it through funds, or giving you, or love bombing you, treating you very well financially, emotionally, mentally, and sexually, mainly sexually and financially. And with this deception energy, or if it wasn't financially, it could have been mentally. With healing family issues, this is somebody, this could be a baby father, baby mother dynamic as well. It doesn't have to be. But healing family issues, it's like you help this person heal their mother wounds, and this person help you heal their help. Sagittarius, this person help you heal your father wounds, and you help heal this person mother wounds. So you guys was triggering each other instead of, because I feel like you guys live through the world with band-aid, a bandage on your wounds, but you guys could be a mind tricker as well. You guys trick people. You like to do re- reverse psychology. I heard that's what you guys like to do. And Milo just said something that could be sniffing. So you guys could be Milo giving Milo's my baby. So that's younger energy. So this person could be younger than you, or you could be younger than this person. And I feel like this person at their big ass age, even if they're young, they could be like, I heard under 20s, 25, mid, in late 30s. 30s and down could be. I don't think it's nobody 40 or nothing like that. If it is, then it's the other way around for sure, for sure. Or you guys are bisexual. Or somebody's in a closet, Sagittarius, for real. If you're 40 and up, somebody's bisexual. If this is resonating with you. It could be the female or the masculine. Anyways, with this retreat, maybe this person want to take you out on a trip. You freed yourself from this person. Mm. I was so happy. Wait, seriously, know this. Okay, we got my personal deck. Oh my! All these cards keep falling on the floor, so things are about to hit the motherfucking fan. Karmic relationship. This is somebody you have soul ties with. Lord, all blue. Blue can be significant. Blue is throat chakra. Somebody's ready to speak up. Leo moon could be significant as well. We also have come visit me. Yep. Somebody want with this retreat. This person is probably want to invite you to like a night trip, or like a one night trip. Can be significant. Yeah, this is somebody that you guys have good sex with. This is like good hot sex. You guys both smoke, or you guys both drink alcohol. I heard whiskey. Somebody love to go to Five Below to get scented candles. Or somebody love, there could be a female or a masculine love Five Below, or Five Below can be significant. But you guys could also get your wine or alcohol from Walmart, could be significant as well. I don't think you went to like the ABC store or like the drug store. You guys always go to like a food market to get your alcohol as well. We have crack or love doing hard drugs. Somebody could have been like a healed crack fiend. So maybe um somebody could be a healed crack fiend. I don't know, narcotics, or somebody was addicted to nicotine as well. We have morning sex nausea. No, you're not pregnant for confirmation. And I heard no, they don't like that because they want you to get pregnant with this nausea and morning sex. Yeah, they trying to impregnate you if you guys allow this one night stand to happen as fire. Yeah, this is somebody that's a big ass gaslighter. Same thing with in Libra energy. I recommend watching it. That will be in the description box below. Well, before that, energy stealing from you, divine females. So this person could been well used to and was stealing energy from you guys to manifest. I heard their hard work earning. So maybe they could have manifest your energy for a nice job or the job they at now. Because like I said, they got a lot of money. And they probably use your energy for the job that they at now. So they probably be on their best behavior because they know that they could feel that you ain't fooling with them. They could feel that. But this person could be a thought. This person or you guys could have abandonment wounds or sex addictions. Soul ties here, yeah, it's that energetic core that always bring you guys back together. Yeah, somebody got a bad drug addiction. Somebody could also have paradise or a fetus. What's a fetus? That's a baby. Wow. Y'all may find out if you pregnant if this ain't happened already. Somebody has sex with a maintenance man as well. I just told somebody's secret. And we have I love when you grip my hips. There's a lot of sexual energy out here. Well, pay attention to red flags as well fell on the floor. All my cards are falling on the floor. Jack Hall can be significant as well. Jealous karmic crying about you. Let me just tell you this right quick. Females or just switch it. Females, if you're watching me, this lover, man or female, whoever you I'm gonna just put it like this, just put it in general. Females, if you're watching me, this person, family member, don't like your ass. They hate on how beautiful and very abundant and if you're a single parent, they know and realize that you don't have drama at all or that could be significant or you don't have baby daddy drama. Like you and your baby father is cool and peaches, but I feel like the sister or the brother could be jealous of that. I don't know. This is somebody that's very close to their family. And female, yeah, so that's could be saying now masculines, this female best friend, this oh that's T. So masculine, this female best friend doesn't like you because this female best friend like her. Or masculines if this female not if, but masculine, this female probably doing a little bit more than what they should have because they are not too sure of what they feeling is real or not. You cause a lot of mental confusions as well. But we have rich men. So this person definitely love bonding you with their money. Rich man could be significant. I felt that energy. The King of Pentacles is somebody that you can rely on. Queen of Wands is definitely in leadership. This motherfucker, this female gonna make a house a home, gonna cook you food, gonna give you everything that you desire, even treat you like a fucking child, okay? Be your mom. Cause they love you. Y'all both love hard. But the boundaries maybe is the issue. What's the issue in here? Cause I just feel like, okay, every relationship go through their trials and tribulations, but what the fuck is really going on? Truth for messages only? I'm sorry, yeah. There was definitely a breakup here. And it landed right here. This could be a past life relationship as well. So our ethers, so you guys speak to each other in the ethers. You guys could both this connection right here. You guys not only have oh god damn bitch, I don't know how you can move on. Not only you got soul ties connection. You guys got a soul tie connection, but you guys could telepathically communicate with each other. That's why I probably in the Libra energy I definitely say you probably need to call on Allah or your God or whoever you believe in to rebuke this energy. Because oh no, ain't no way in the world this man gonna leave you out in the cold or vice versa, bitch. Soul ties and you guys communicate with each other. You don't got no other connection with that shit. This is what I need to find. This motherfucker, and if you do got soul ties, y'all guys hit deeper because it is a past life relationship. You guys was once before married together in the past lives. Wow, it's deep connection. Yeah, making healthy choices in love, self care, and being happier. You're happier without this person. Yeah, okay, so this person probably reflect a lot of childhood wounds. Like you're probably feeling like, okay, I'm done. This person probably triggered those family wounds a lot. Because with that introspection and reflecting our wounds, maybe this person does that. And maybe this is a karmic. Yeah, this is a chaser and runner dynamic. Or you're tired of this person being fishy. Yeah. With lighting a pit. Yeah, like I said, you guys had a feeling of something, you're not too sure if it's real or not. Yeah, because you could probably know, yeah, you guys are high priestess. You guys, your confirmation, you guys could have known that this person, or you could feel already that this person had bad codependency issues with their ego. They're obsessed with you. Hmm, interesting. With unconditional love, self-love, being happier. So is this person going to reach out? What is this person going to do? This could be a soulmate energy as well. Yeah, abundance, like I was speaking on. This person could have narcissistic traits as well for confirmation. Empath and yeah, you're an empath and he's a that makes sense to what I was saying because it's like you could feel shit. Maybe your family members was narcissistic, energy vampires, people that eat off your fucking plate and then trying to garnish your energy or disrespect you, but at the end of the day, they need you. Yeah, this is somebody doesn't this is yeah, you guys was not somebody. You was used to folks using your energy for their own doing and on top of that treat you wrong and disrespect you. And I just feel like this could be a mom or a sister or a brother. This could be your like a family unit. And I feel like for some reason this person, brother, family, or these people that's in their ear is fucking with them to fuck with y'all because they really like them or they really obsessed with you. It's giving my homeboy likes you, my homegirl likes you, my family members like you, wanna fuck on you. Yeah, weird. Weird. Very, 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 very weird. I want to get a little bit more because I'm not too fond of what I feel. Maybe it's confusing me too, bitch. With the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands, it's a little bit more tea or I need to pick up. What's up? What's up? What else for this energy? King of Swords. I kept seeing that energy. I'm not gonna lie. This could be an air sign. Go watch that Libra reading, bitch. Go watch that Libra reading. Yeah, with the full card. So this King of Pentacles and the King of Swords the same person? Are these the same folks? Yes, they are. Okay. So this person can have high. This person can be This person can have high air placements, Aquarius and Libra, or this person could be a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sagittarius of this person I was speaking about in the past. This is somebody, like I said in the beginning, like this is home do home girl vibes. Like this is this person's from college, or this could be somebody that you always push it aside and then you finally gave this person a chance as well. But everything just kept falling. Oh, but the Four of Wands. More for what should I know? This energy? Yeah. Yeah, you guys are thriving being alone right now, Sagittarius. Maybe you have somebody that wants you, and maybe you're just not open to receiving love, or you're not open for this new relationship. Yeah, I just feel like you got these new firm foundation boundaries, and I feel like the test is you continue to set in your be who you are, continue to set in your firm foundation, let bygones be bygones, but you will know if this person respect you or have high hopes for you or really wants you if they respect those boundaries, these new boundaries. Now, if they don't, you should already know what to do. And that's going to save you. Yeah. But the chariot, Mark Archangel was protecting you from this energy. And Mark Archangel, her Megatron, is guiding this relationship to come back to full circle with the lovers. Yeah, this is your soulmate, came out again. At the end of the day, you got free will. God damn. Can you clarify? Yeah, this person probably going through a lot in the background. All right, can you clarify that Seven of Swords for the lovers for the Sagittarius energy, Holy Spirit, Yahweh, truth, and messages only, please? It's very repetitive. It's very persistent. This dynamic is very persistent, but very repetitive. Constant cycles, ongoing. This person is definitely looking at your photos, looking at your Instagram, I heard. Yeah. You guys could be moving on and focusing on your money. Yeah. Yeah, it came out again. Breakup, separation, stop the silent pattern, silent treatment, abandonment. Yeah, I told you guys. Yeah. This person is coming in with with true and fruitful intentions now, but you guys could be focused on your money. Bottom deck, focus on my money. Can you clarify this energy on you guys' energy for this person that's headed towards them? For Sagittarius energy, truth and messages only. Let the past go. Yeah. This person is hoping that you guys can rewind and go back to the time before you guys both broken down each other in you guys' life. Our past hold us back from our future. So this person, or the truth is the fact that it's hard to move forward because something with missing pieces, or there's just too much illusions, too much repetitive cycles, and I feel like this person damaged your trust, damaged your love life or future loved ones as well. This is somebody that gave you PTSD in relationship. I'm sorry, it's just the truth. Not the right time. Yeah, I'm overwhelmed with responsibilities. I don't have time or energy for a relationship, and that goes. Yeah, y'all focus on your money. You hurt me. Everything happened hurt me so much. I need more time to heal. Yeah, that makes sense, Sagittarius. That makes sense. Yeah, showing out father wounds. Then I say you help this person heal their father wounds. Yeah, this person is saying sorry, and this isn't a goodbye. What I say, y'all? And yeah, look, other people opinions. What I say, both of you guys. It's somebody that got you guys got somebody in your ear that's contradicting this relationship, child. But that's it. That's what I have for you guys. That's tea. And that's childish. That's childish fuck. This is somebody that love playing on your time. This is somebody that think is sexy and it turns them on when you cuss them out, and when you cuss them out and be mad at them or crying, that's when you turn them on more. I don't know why. This person is foolish and toxic. Go watch that Libra reading. I ain't gonna keep saying, but this is you guys reading, Sagittarius. Hopefully this gave you guys some type of confirmation and clarity. I'm seeing you guys living light. Also make sure you guys check out my description box below. So as the Libra reading that I'm recommending, that will be in description box below, so you can just tap into that as well right away. And I hope you guys like this reading and this gave you like very informative and prep you, okay? Return the sin of any evil eye, any negative energy, any karmic trying to fish, any warlock, any witches watching, trying to fish and trying to stop a union or whatever. Like I said, Angel Mechatron and Micro Archangel is surrendering you guys. So living ain't no spell work on gonna touch or top shit. Okay? Period. Never will. No weapon form against me shall prosper. In Jesus' name we pray, I'll show you that man. I don't know, I just feel like I need to say that. Protect yourself, Sagittarius, and it's okay to be selfish, okay to be mean. Not too mean, because y'all take it too far. Don't be nonchalant, be truthful, but don't give it up too easily neither. Don't give up her too easy. No, no, no. And of course they're gonna be fighting more and want you even more because you're saying no and you looking good. But fuck it. It's your body. It's yours. It's you. But yeah. Peace, y'all. This some tea, y'all, and it's ending today now. Happy New Year's.